so I can finally do my, my art, my different books. I'm going to work on the space one. Okay. And I am going to do the blue. I feel like doing the blue and dark blue. And we'll do different Saturn colors on today. And I'm also going to do like gray. I'm going to do the kitty book. And yeah, I'm going to do outer space. But this is very calming, back and forth moving of the pencil. And then we'll do crayons too later on. I'm holding a tablet, so it's hard for me to hold it very long because it kind of hurts my fingers. Holding it that way, and it's unnatural, so I'll just do a little at a time. And I gotta charge it too. It's down to 15%. So yeah, I'll be working on this one. I'll charge the battery, and oh, I want to play my bubble game also. It's an awesome 4th of July. Just at home, calm. You know, it's about 100 degrees out. It's like 98 degrees, 99 degrees out. So it's not good to be out. It's too hot. You can get heat exhaustion. So stay in with the air and keep cool. Make videos. Do art. That's it. Okay, bye.